Welcome to Happy Park! The flowers are blooming, the birds are singing, and today is going to be a wonderful day! Mia couldn't wait for the special event. She loved helping others and keeping places clean. Leo arrived with a big smile and his recycling bag. He was ready to help his friends.
Today was the cleanup parade. Everyone was excited to make the park sparkle. But wait, someone forgot to throw away their trash.
The beautiful park didn't look happy anymore.
Sunny smiled and said, "When friends work together, every problem becomes smaller." Let's clean the park together!
The cleanup parade had begun, and everyone marched with happy hearts.
Mia carefully picked up every little wrapper and placed it into the recycling bin.
Leo filled his recycling cart with bottles and cans, smiling all the way. Bella Bunny swept the pathways until they were neat and tidy.
Benny Bear knew exactly where every item belonged. Every recyclable item belonged. Toby Turtle showed everyone that recycling helps keep our world beautiful. From high above found every tiny piece of litter. When everyone worked together, cleaning became easy and fun.
Yay!
Sunny smiled proudly. Kindness had made the whole park shine. After their hard work, everyone enjoyed a happy picnic together. When the picnic ended, everyone cleaned up after themselves. When everyone worked together, cleaning became easy and fun. Everyone enjoyed a happy picnic together. Everyone cleaned up after themselves. Sunny smiled and said, "When friends work together, every problem becomes smaller." Let's clean the park together! Everyone shouted.
Everyone cheered and got ready to clean the park.
Yes! Let's clean the park together! Thanks for watching, friends, today. We had fun and learned to play. Like and subscribe for more fun, too. Rhymeland Wonders is waiting for you.